Hey, this is Marla Higgins, your Chief Inspirational Officer, and we have our right-hand wing woman, AJ, in the house, and she's our Chief Creative Officer. So we're going to be inspired and creative, and we are really jazzed about what we've been able to launch so far in 2020. We just want to bring you in. We want to share with you an opportunity that we're so excited about, and that's the whole point of this video. So we just want to share coming into this, why we have built a profitable and sustainable opportunity for entrepreneurs, leaders, business owners, as we are going into the beginning of the year. Now, we set a really big goal. We have like 250 businesses that we're going to impact with this one particular platform. And that's where you come in. We just want to give you a little taste of what it looks like and why you might be missing out on something that you have an opportunity that we want to invite you to. So Amanda, why don't you share, like, as we are off and running with this course, like, what have you been the most excited about that we've been offering the different clients that we've served in this format?
One of the most important things that I think we're offering these participants is consistency, and just the fact that we're able to give them a place where they can be safe to speak a goal that may seem like really big and scary, but then also given like not only the inspiration to keep going, but the accountability to say, hey, you said this, it's okay that you said it, but now it's time to like stop just talking about it and it's time to start making this happen. So just the fact that I have seen so many people come in with these like big scary goals, and then they turn around and you can see over time how their habits are changing. And also you can also identify some habits that aren't changing. And I think that that's just as important as the new habits that we're implementing. Like, why are we holding on to these habits that aren't serving us? And if you have habits, like I know I do have habits like that in my life, and if you have someone who isn't afraid to be like, hey, I think you're amazing and I think that you're capable of so much, like, why are you holding on to this thing that isn't serving you? And just to have someone to be who's able to be that honest with you, I think is a real value piece, not only for this program, but just being part of the Maverick community in general, because Mavericks aren't afraid to call your S out, you know?
Right.
And I think that just being around more and more people that have that similar trait is kind of like a double-edged sword. Like, yeah, it's really awesome, but at the same time, like, it's kind of scary. But if you have that mentality, you almost welcome it. And you're like, yes, call my stuff out and like, let's make some things happen in 2020. And I think that's where we're at.
Right. It's really interesting too, because I think this community, they're so like-minded that we're all picking up in that same space. So we're all different moving parts doing different things as leaders and business owners. But the thing that I've witnessed is how in sync everything is. And, you know, that transformation question, like when we first started the course, it's a 6-week booster shot. So it's not like we're carrying this on forever. We really want you to get a result. And so our intentions with those results are, you know, they're pretty ferocious, but that's also the reason why people are participating, because they're done sitting on the sidelines and they're jumping in. They want that action. And as you just spoke about, that community, like love and support, and it's just unconditional. There's no failure in this zone. This is like the fail-proof zone. It's like, it's priceless because people are opening up, they're sharing, you know, how they would like to transform, and then getting some feedback and some validators on, you know, is this like, how am I doing with it? And where are the soft spots and where am I killing it? Help give me a different vantage point.
Mm-hmm. Well, and something that I think is really important about the program that we offer is that like we're in it with these people. So, you know, we have gone through so many iterations of this program, I think, over the years. I mean, this started out with you saying, hey, I want to host a phone call once a week to get people like motivated on a Wednesday. Winning Wednesdays with Marlo. That's what this was 5 years ago.
Right.
And, you know, we put it out into the world and people were like, I don't know. And I think that the reason that happened was because there are so many different levels to committing to a group of people and to making those dreams happen. And if it's just a phone call, or if it's just a set of instructions on a screen, like, it doesn't have that kind of connection that you need to really make a difference. And people are getting really smart with their budgets for personal investment, like, and personal development. And when you have skin in the game, you want to know that you're going to have results at the end of whatever you put your money into. And I think that this program is designed to set you up for success. We give you the tools and we give you the accountability. And then we also teach you how to hold yourself accountable and how to create those results yourself. Like, Marlo does not have all the answers. You have all the answers. Like, and I think that that's what people need to understand. Marlo has all the systems and all the strategies and everything.
To pull the answer out.
Yes. Yes.
That's the key factor.
Mm-hmm.
You've got the answer. It's your business. But we have this ability, like with Amanda on the backside of this business and the understanding of marketing and branding, and the ability for us, like, together in that partnership, to pull out those answers that you so desire that you need to have, because that's what we're seeing. Okay, so as you are listening to this and you're excited, go to successboarding.com and you're going to learn more. Just click the link. You can learn more about the opportunity. I will offer you an opportunity just to hop on the call if you have more questions, but don't shy away. I mean, jump in, be part of the community. And this is our personal invite, that we know that we want you to be part of this, because we know the transformation that's waiting for you. You just have to say yes. So take advantage of it. Go to successboarding.com, jump on and learn more. So talk to you soon. Thank you.
Bye.